Hey everyone, so it's late at night and I'm uh, praying with the concept for MCP server. So I'm building an experimental idea or concept in my head called Alchemykit, which is basically like an MCP server to provide common tools for developers, such as converting JSON to CSV. So for instance, I have this prompt as you can see here. So, and I want to convert the simplified version to CSV. Generally, this should not be an issue for an LLM, but as the data gets larger and larger, that's going to be an issue. And we have best case of this, and I want to see whether my tool works and whether I need to start exploring ways I can use this tool. So I'm going to use GPT 4.1 and then I'm going to run this. So ideally we should see this interacting with my MCP server and converting the data and then returning that instead of using the LLM to do that. So fingers crossed and the demo got, so clicking that. So start account. Okay, that's nice. So as you can see, this is my MCP server and Alchemykit. I'll show you the code in a second, and here we go. So we can click continue and we can inspect. As you can see, that is the output we expected, and voila, that works. So so to configure this is the project, the repo which this project is based in. I'm basically running a node server with the output for the build here. So this is based on NX, and the whole code base is the main TS, which is basically a classic MCP server with two tools in it. So we have a tool to convert to CSV, and we have another tool to convert to JSON. And we can see if the reverse works. We just copy this and then we say convert the following to CSV to JSON. And the reason I'm doing this is because I want to see if the Copilot, GitHub Copilot with GPT 4.1 is able to interact with my tool, and then be able to see whether I can take this concept a little bit further and do some more amazing things, so that we can have like standardized tools that we can use as developers that will help us like do some amazing stuff. So let's see if this works. Okay, that works. Now as you can see, this is my MCP server, and if I click continue, I should be able to have an output for JSON, which is that, and that's what we got. Okay, sweet. I don't know what you guys think and whether this idea is just stupid or what, but it would be interesting to see how far I can explore this and push this, so that we can see whether we can have like imagine like an MCP server that you drop into your code editor, that is going to take care of things like data conversion, that's going to take care about running CLI commands and so on, so that you are able to basically use your local resources where necessary and save on the tokens. That's a basic idea in my head. Maybe it's a brilliant idea, maybe it's a stupid idea. I have no idea. So let me know what you think. Thank you.